Hey, what's up guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can create your beautiful landing page for your WordPress website in just 5 minutes and with drag and drop using Elementor free version, and honestly speaking without a single line of code. So at the end of this video you will be able to make this type of landing page for your website. So keep watching this video till end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot of amazing website making stuff are coming up, so let's start now. Alright guys, so landing page is the first page of your website where users landed from Google. You can also call it home page. Landing page normally include hero section, services or products, specific product or service features, call to action, your clients, your customer testimonials, and your team. So I will complete this landing page in just 5 minutes. So I will follow 3 simple steps. First we will log into WordPress dashboard. Then we will go to pages and create our new page. And in step 3 we will start building our landing page. So let's get started now. Alright guys, so let's move to step number 1. So open your browser and type in your domain name /wp-login. So it will take you to WordPress login page. So here you will enter your username and password and click on login. So it will take you to WordPress admin dashboard. So our step number 1 is completed. So let's move to step number 2. But before moving to step number 2, let's check out our existing website. So this is our website and this is our landing page. So first of all, we will remove this landing page and we will add our new landing page. So go to your dashboard, click on pages. So this is our home page. So let's remove this home page, click on trash and then delete it permanently. Now to click on add new to create new page, type home and click on edit with Elementor. So our page will open in Elementor editor. So our step number 2 is completed. So you can see the empty page here, but don't worry, we will make it beautiful. So let's start the step number 3. So we will customize our landing page. So click on folder icon. So it will take you to library section and then click on block. So here we go. So we will add our hero section first. So search the hero section. Here we go. Click on hero. So in this section you can see a lot of hero section designs. Some are free and some are paid. So as we are using the free version of Elementor, so we will choose free options. But if you want to make your website more interactive, then you can buy Elementor Pro version. Elementor free version is more than enough. But if you want to buy a pro version of Elementor, but if you want to make your website more interactive, as pro version has a lot of amazing features, there is a link in the description, so you can buy the pro version. So if you will buy from my link, so you will get discount and I will get a small commission on that. So I will make more free videos for you guys. Alright guys, so I will go with free option. So let's select our hero section design. So I will go with this one, click on it and click on insert. So here we go. Alright guys, so our hero section is added. Now you can customize this section according to your needs. If you want to edit anything, you can click on edit icon and start typing. You can also change image or button, or you can add any new widget on that hero section, but I will leave as it is right now. Alright guys, so now we will add our services section. So click on add template and browse services. So here we go, you can see different services designs. So for now I will pick this one, click on it. Here we go, you can see a beautiful services design and then click on insert. Here we go, your services design is added. Now you can customize according to your needs, but I will leave as it is. Now I will add product feature section. So click on add template and browse features. So here we go. You can see a lot of product feature designs. So I will pick this one, click on it. So it will show you the design and click on insert and your product feature section is added. Now I will add portfolio section to showcase our product. So click on add template and browse portfolio. So you can see a lot of portfolio designs. You can pick any one of them, but I will go with the free version. So I will go with free option. Let's select this one and click insert. So our portfolio section is added. Now I will add our clients. Click on add template, browse the clients, and I will select this option and click on insert. So our client section is added. Now I will add customer testimonials. So click on add template and browse testimonials. Here we go. So you can see a number of testimonial designs, but I will go with the free one. You can also check out the pro version as well, but for this you need to buy pro version of Elementor and check the link in the description. Then you can buy your pro version. I will go with this option and click on insert. So our customer testimonial is added. Now I will add team. So browse the team. So I select this option, click on insert, and our team is added. So guys, let's move to add call to action item, and that is our final section. So click on add template, browse call to action. So I will go with the black one. Here we go. Click on insert. So our call to action is added. Alright guys, so in the same way you can add as many section as you want and customize your section as per your needs. So guys, you can see we have designed a very beautiful and amazing landing page, and the amazing thing is this page is responsive, so it will look amazing on your tablet and mobiles. So let me show you how it will look on tablet. So this is the time to make our page live. So to make your page live, click on publish button. Here we go. Now your page is live, so click to have a look at. So guys, you see that we have created this beautiful landing page in just 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now we will set this new landing page to our home page. So click on customize and click on home page settings. Select a static page option and select home page as our landing page, and that is home page. Click on publish. So that's it guys. Your new landing page is published and live now. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share your comments about this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.